Hello student, welcome to class of mathematics. Today we learn property of division. After that we start activity 4 of chapter 4 multiplication and division. Property number 1. When a number is divided by 1, the quotient is number itself. That is, अगर कोई नंबर को 1 से डिवाइड करता है तो क्वोशंट हमें नंबर इटसेल्फ मिलता है. For example, 725 divided by 1, the quotient is 725, it means number itself. Property number 2. When a number except 0 is divided by itself, the quotient is 1. That means 0 के अलावा कोई भी नंबर को नंबर itself से डिवाइड करता है तो क्वोशंट हमें मिलता है 1. For example, 826 divided by 826, the quotient is 1. Property number 3. When 0 is divided by any number except 0, the quotient is always 0. 0 को अगर कोई भी नंबर से हम डिवाइड करते हैं except 0, then quotient is always 0. For example, 0 divided by 1455, the quotient is 0. Property number 4. Division by 0 is not possible. It means 0 का डिवीज़न पॉसिबल नहीं है. 0 को कोई भी नंबर से डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते. Property number 5. Division algorithm. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This algorithm is very useful while checking division. Now we see how to check division right or wrong by example. See the example. Let us divide 325 by 12. तो हम यहाँ पे 325 को 12 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो हमें क्वोशंट मिलता है 27 एंड रिमाइंडर 1. तो यहाँ पे क्वोशंट, डिवाइजर एंड रिमाइंडर की जो वैल्यू है वो डिवीज़न एल्गोरिथम के राइट हैंड साइड में रखेंगे एंड ऑन सिंप्लीफिकेशन वी गेट 325. दिस इज आवर डिवाइडेंड, सो आवर डिवीज़न इज राइट. नेक्स्ट, डिवीज़न बाय 1000, 10,000 and 1 lakh. First, to divide a number by 1000, we simply remove the last 3 digits to get quotient. The last 3 digits together forms the remainder. It means कोई भी नंबर को 1000 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो लास्ट 3 डिजिट को रिमूव करने से हमें मिलता है क्वोशंट एंड लास्ट 3 डिजिट को मिला के हमें मिलेगा रिमाइंडर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 3287 डिवाइडेड बाई 1000. तो इस नंबर में लास्ट 3 डिजिट है 287. दिस इज अ रिमाइंडर एंड आफ्टर रिमूव लास्ट 3 डिजिट वी गेट ओनली 3. दिस इज आवर क्वोशंट. सेकेंड, टू डिवाइड अ नंबर बाई 10,000, we simply remove the last 4 digits to get the quotient. The last 4 digits together forms the remainder. That means अगर कोई नंबर को 10,000 से डिवाइड करते हैं तो लास्ट 4 डिजिट रिमूव करने से हमें मिलेगा क्वोशंट एंड द लास्ट 4 डिजिट टुगेदर फॉर्म्स द रिमाइंडर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 72,879 divided by 10,000. So लास्ट 4 डिजिट को मिला के हमें नंबर मिलता है 2879 जो हमारा रिमाइंडर है एंड ये लास्ट 4 डिजिट को रिमूव करके हमें यहाँ पे नंबर मिलता है 7. दिस इज आवर क्वोशंट. नेक्स्ट 3. To divide a number by 1 lakh, we simply remove the last 5 digits to get quotient. The last 5 digits together forms the remainder. That is, अगर कोई नंबर को 1 लाख से डिवाइड करते हैं तो लास्ट 5 डिजिट को रिमूव करने से हमें मिलता है क्वोशंट एंड लास्ट 5 डिजिट रिमाइंडर जनरेट करता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 8,28,796 divided by 1 lakh. So last 5 digit it means 28,796 जनरेट करता है रिमाइंडर and after remove last 5 digit here we get only 8. This is our quotient. Next we see activity 4. Let's start question number 1. Fill in the blanks. A 12,547 divided by 1. Answer is 12,547. Because when a number is divided by 1, the quotient is the number itself. Next B 87,450 by 87,450. The answer is 1. As number is divided by itself, the quotient is 1. Next C 0 divided by 99,999. The answer is 0. As 0 is divided by any number, the quotient is always 0. Next D dash divided by 35 is equal to 0. तो यहाँ पे ब्लैंक में आंसर आएगा 0 because when 0 is divided by any number, the quotient is always 0. Next we solve question number 2. Find a number which when divided by 35 gives the quotient 22 and remainder 14. It means यहाँ पे हमें ऐसा नंबर फाइंड करना है जिसको 35 से डिवाइड करने से क्वोशंट 22 एंड रिमाइंडर 14 मिले. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी राइट व्हाट वी हैव. डिवाइजर इज इक्वल टू 35. Quotient is equal to 22 and remainder is equal to 14. By division algorithm, we know that dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Put all this value in division algorithm. Therefore 35 into 22 plus 14. Product of these two number is 770 plus 14. On addition we get answer 784. Therefore dividend is 784. Therefore required number is 784. Next we solve question number 3. 3699 when divided by a certain number gives 231 as a quotient and 3 as a remainder. Find the number. In short, we find divisor such that on dividing 3699 gives quotient 31 and remainder 3. First of all we write what we have. So dividend is equal to 3699 quotient is equal to 231. Remainder is equal to 3. By division algorithm, we know that dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Put all this value in division algorithm. Therefore, 3699 is equal to divisor into 231 plus 3. Now we shift 3 on left side of equal. On shifting, plus 3 become minus 3. Therefore, 3699 minus 3 is equal to divisor into 231. On subtraction, we get 3696 is equal to divisor into 231. Now we shift 231 on left side of equal. On shifting, we get 3696 divided by 231 is equal to divisor. Next, we divide 3696 by 231. 3696 divided by 231. Use first 3 digit. 231 ones are 231. Now subtract 1 from the 9. Answer is 8. 6 minus 3. Answer is 3. 3 minus 2. Answer is 1. Now we put 6 here. We get number 1386 and 231 6 are, we get 1386. On subtraction, we get answer 000. Therefore, divisor is equal to 16. We get required number. Next, question number 4. Complete the table. A. 5164 divided by 1000. We know that any number divided by 1000, we get quotient by remove last 3 digits and the last 3 digits together form the remainder. Therefore, last 3 digits, it means 164 is remainder and 5 is quotient. Same as above, we get last 3 digit is remainder. It means 847 is remainder and 62 is quotient. Next, C. 18,275 divided by 10,000. We know that any number divided by 10,000, we simply remove the last 4 digits to get the quotient, and the last 4 digits together form the remainder. Therefore, last 4 number, it means 8275 forms remainder and 1 is quotient. Same as above, last 4 digit, it means 3456 is remainder and 72 is quotient. Same as above, last 4 digit 2345 is remainder and 61 is quotient. Next, F. 8,88,888 divided by 1 lakh. We know that any number divided by 1 lakh, we simply remove the last 5 digits to get quotient, and the last 5 digits together forms the remainder. Therefore, last 5 digits, it means 88,888 is remainder and 8 is quotient. Same as above fact, last 5 digits, it means 34,567 is remainder and 2 is quotient. Same as F and G, last 5 digits 17,567 is remainder and 8 is quotient. Same as above, I and J आपको होमवर्क में करना है. Here we complete activity 4 of chapter 4, addition and subtraction. Thank you all of you.